Rocker Pat here. All right, guys. Well, it's kind of a dreary day here in the jungle, but hey, it's a rocking and rolling and a rolling and a rocking day for me because I got a 4-day weekend coming up, and I'm going to take y'all for a ride on what we're doing. Just sent the cylinder head over to the machine shop. Won't be back till next week. Ain't got anything lined up else, so we're going to get rocking and rolling over here on Sketchy's Dash Problem. Last video I will be posting right after this one, and that'll explain everything, the big rust holes and all that kind of stuff that we had here and what we're going to do. But by the end of this weekend, I plan to have that dash in paint and ready to rock and roll with the roll and the rock, or something like that. Anyway, so let's get busy on what I am doing here. What I've done is I went and had a little bit of that metal work fun. Made me a little panel to go right through here, all the way over to here. I have had to replace this piece in the bottom, and this corner over here has been replaced as well. I will be spreading a little bit of mud on that, and that should be rocking and rolling. I've still got to come up inside of here, and I need to do the cutting butt down this line right here. And I need to come back in here and do a little welding along this line right here. Probably don't need to, but it's accessible, so let's go ahead and do a little touch, and that'll be good there. And then I'm going to spread a little mud on that. And after I spread a little mud on that, I'm going to get it into black epoxy primer. And then once I get the black epoxy primer on there, we're going to start with the effect that I'm going to put on there and everything. So hopefully by the end of the weekend, we've got this dash done so that I can order all the expensive stuff to put windows in this car, because it is very, very, very pricey. Matter of fact, not to change the subject too much, but man, there are people out there that just highway robbery on some of these parts. I mean, just ridiculous on what they want. I just went through a guy, well, I'll show you the parts. Parts for here, forced to buy two. One for over there that I don't need at a high rate. And for Leroy, window regulator for the driver's door has been bad. And found guy with one, two, got to buy two. One an arm and a leg, and well, they'll be here Monday. All right, guys, well, there you go. There's your update on the Rocker Pat. Stay tuned for videos all weekend, because as I do things, I'm just going to shoot a video on it and shoot it out to you. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. I got some more grinding it down to do.